Welcome to this tutorial on how to read your Charles Schwab 1099-B form. This form is essential for understanding your investment income, gains, and losses throughout the year. Let's start by locating the main sections of the form. First, look for the summary section at the top. This area provides an overview of your total proceeds, gains, and losses from sales of securities during the year. It is important to note your total gains and losses, as these figures will be crucial for tax reporting. Next, review the details section, which lists each transaction individually. Here you will find information such as the date of the transaction, description of the security, the amount you sold it for, the cost basis, and your resulting gain or loss. Take your time to go through each line, ensuring that everything matches your personal records. Finally, make sure you compare your 1099-B to your other tax documents, like your W-2 or other income statements. This will help you confirm that all your income is accurately reported and ready for filing. Understanding your 1099-B is a vital part of managing your taxes from investments, so be sure to keep it organized with your other tax documents.